With this new tool, I was able to create AI personalized products that can easily sell on Etsy. And I was able to do this multiple times over for multiple names. As you can see here, that can sell extremely well. And I was able to do this all following a very simple prompt structure like in this screenshot here. And there's multiple variations I created in regards to this product, like this example here. Look at all of these beautiful personalized AI products that you can use right now to scale. So in today's video, I'll share with you my very simple system with this tool of how I was able to create these personalized products and how you can do the same thing to start selling these personalized AI products in your shop. Today, I want to share this all with you coming up next. Now, personalized products will always be the major sale for designs, but definitely trying to get the design right can be challenging. So I want to share with you, first of all, just the data here that proves that these type of personalized designs are doing well. Again, we can see in the graduation needs, again, this product has been around for a very long time, but even with its longevity, it has made a lot of sales, over 600 sales here. This product here has been recently released about 9 months ago, and this has made about 500 sales and even made 44 sales in the last 30 days. And this product here just dropped in the last few months, has already made 51 sales with 2 people who bought this in the last 24 hours. So personalization is definitely going to be the way to move forward in 2026. But I think we can also apply, again, the use of AI along with personalization. That can be a game changer. So you can actually create these type of products to be personalized products following top design trends that are clearly selling well on Etsy. All right, so the tool that I'm using is my custom built AI generating tool. It is called Creative Prompt AI. This is a custom built tool I built for my Etsy membership community where I provide coaching and classes. This is a total package where you get creative tools, but also tips and strategies to help you actually sell these products on Etsy. And this is exactly what we're going to use today to help us just not create these, but also sell these for our Etsy business. Now, the crazy part about this is that this is not the design that we actually started off with. This design actually came from an Easter style design that looked like this. And the reason why this is so important is because Creative Prompt uses reference images to create high quality designs that we can remix and redesign even further. That means you don't have to worry about having crazy long prompts for you to generate high quality designs. So essentially what we did here is that we were able to find a design on Etsy in the Easter season that looks like this, clearly making multiple sales on Etsy in a day. And so we thought about how can we change over into different elements that can sell well. So we selected this pre-prompt t-shirt here. We selected the background to be white, and look at the prompt we were able to put in. Very simple prompting here where we said, make this for graduation cap, make the colors black and yellow. And the only element that should be on here is the cap from graduation. And here's the power that comes with using Creative Prompt. We are able to plug in a reference image so that the AI knows the overall style that we want to use. We can see this product is definitely bringing in some jewel type of themes, clearly made for Easter. But again, with this simple prompting here, we hit generate and look at the results we were able to get. This came out fantastic. As you can see here, it's definitely following that same style that we have seen to work well on this previous product as our reference image. And it brought in the text here. This is an easy product that can sell right now. Now, when you look at this, the thing that might pop out to you is, wait a minute, I can't sell this because this is for a previous year, right? It doesn't say 2026. But the cool part about this is that with Creative Prompt, we are able to make the changes to the text to fit whatever word or whatever year we want to sell. So here we're going to use this as our reference image because now this is our own digital asset that we can use and change. So I'm going to copy this as our digital asset reference, move back over into Creative Prompt Remix. I'm going to select t-shirt pre-prompt again. And then from here, instead of me saying, hey, change this to be for cap, because we already have the cap as our reference image, now my prompt says, and as you can see, a very simple prompt, it says make the text at the bottom say class of 2026. And I want to go a step further and add in some personalization to this because I think this can do extremely well. And I said put in a bold script font following that same theme, but make the name say Wendy. And with our digital asset in as our reference image, the creative prompt tool is going to look at this, scan this, analyze this, and know exactly what I mean by the same font, the same style, and it's definitely going to merge these colors and styles over into our design. So here is what we were able to do as well. Instead of me just producing one image, now I'm able to use this prompt to scale into 4 different variations. The creative prompt tool is going to give me different text layouts that I think can be a great option to choose in regards to which one I want to make. I scale this out to be 4 variations. I hit generate here and look at the results. Number one, it definitely followed our prompt where we say, hey, change out the year from 2024 and make it 2026. That is perfect. But notice here how it also brought in the personalization that we prompted as well. And because Creative Prompt has a variation scaling option, we are able to scale this simple prompt into 4 different variations. As you can see, all came out different, but still following all of the prompts we placed in. This is a game changer in my opinion, especially if you are trying to scale this out to create as bundles, or maybe you're trying to create family t-shirts and maybe have them all be slightly different but still following the same design themes. This is definitely changing the game. Now I have 4 options I can actually sell on Etsy and have the customer pick option 1, 2, 3, or 4 and then make personalizations from there. Or I could just sell one like this one here and scale this out to be personalization. Now here's the cool part. Remember how we put in the prompt to change the text to say Wendy? I'm able to use my same digital asset now to change this name to say something else. So say for instance, if I'm selling this as a personalized order and I have a request from the customer who say, hey, I want this same design theme. My child is not named Wendy. My child is named Brandon. Can you actually do this for me? And the answer is yes, with Creative Prompt. So here, jumping back into Creative Prompt, because I'm just going to change the name itself, I'm going to select the custom prompt area so I can tell the AI specifically only change the name. So we're going to select custom prompt and look at this very basic prompt we are able to use. I simply say, hey, change the text Wendy to Brandon. And because I'm using a reference image, it knows exactly the style that should be consistent. It knows the font style I'm talking about, the color choice, the overall aesthetics of the design. This is the power of using Creative Prompt reference images, because you save so much time to nail down the right style. So here's our reference image we were able to use, and just with one prompt, look at what we have here. It changed that text over from Wendy, and now it says Brandon. Now you are able to do personalized custom products here created with AI. This is going to be the game changer, because as we can see here, personalized products has always sold well on Etsy, and your personalized products really don't even have to be crazy in regards to designs. Like this product here that made almost 600 sales in the last 30 days. This product here, very basic custom shirt, has sold almost 300 times in the last 30 days. And I can go on and share with you multiple custom personalized products that have done well. And the cool part about this, yes, you can sell these type of products as t-shirt products, or you can sell them as just the design itself, and that can scale just as well. So yes, we were able to customize and personalize this product to be branded. But here's the thing, what if you have multiple orders in one day, like 10 to 11 orders? Yes, you can go in here and do the individual changes, which again only takes a few short seconds to create the design. We can keep changing the name out to be Brandon or Wendy or Sharon or Alex. We can just do that right here in this space. But remember, with Creative Prompt, we have the option to use advanced scaling and let the AI scale these designs out specifically based upon our request. And that is what we were able to do as well. So here's the last thing I'm going to share with you. Say we have received multiple orders here. I can still go in here and say, hey, I want to use custom prompt. I'm going to put in this basic prompt as we had before, where I said change the text Wendy to the following names. And here's the thing, we're still going to use our same digital reference image where it says, again, class of 2006, it says Wendy, but now we're going to use our advanced scaling option. So here's the text that we said here, change the text Wendy to the following names. And with the Creative Prompt scaling option here, I'm able to scale this out to 4 variations that all needs to be personalized. And here I'm able to put in this scaling prompt where I says, hey, make one name to be Brandy, make another name to be Charles, and make the other to be Amy, and make the other to be James. Notice here how I did not have to tell Creative Prompt again about the style or about what name that needs to be changed out, because this is the advanced scaling option, which is going to take everything we said here and apply it here in a unique way for every design. So all I have to do here is hit generate this to be 4 prompts. Here are all the prompts that it made, and it shows me the prompts before I generate, because if it got anything wrong, I can edit and make the changes. But again, Creative Prompt is so good with this advanced scaling. Everything is good here. And when I hit generate, here is the results we were able to get. As you can see, all of the names definitely changed up, following the same type of consistency, but adding in personalization. And again, this came out extremely well. Now, yes, just to be fair, Amy did struggle a little bit here, but we can go back into this, regenerate this name specifically, and obviously fix that with Creative Prompt as well. But as you can see, this has definitely made it extremely easy for us to scale these designs out, to have a level of consistency, and really have a shop that uses AI, just not for the design itself, but also for the personalization. And as you can see, that came out extremely well. This is going to change the game moving forward in 2026, and it's definitely going to be a place where I would start designing and start scaling as well. And here are some recent designs I made with Creative Prompt as well. As you can see, this is definitely changing the game in regards to creating these type of variations. So if you want to get access to this tool is found within my Etsy membership community, where I give you the creative tool, but also the tips and strategies so you know how to sell this well. This is where I provide my weekly coaching, my creative tools like you see in today's video. We give daily top trends so you know what design to focus on, as well as a ton of coaching classes, as well as my Etsy University, where I have over 80 videos that will share with you step by step what you need to do to scale your business. So if you want to get access to that, make sure you check out the link down below. It'll share with you everything I'm offering inside of my Etsy membership community, so you can start joining and scaling your shop today. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.